जय हिंद कैडेट्स, आप सभी का स्वागत है हमारे इस प्यारे से चैनल के ऊपर। आज के इस वीडियो में हम कवर करेंगे टॉपिक नेशनल इंटीग्रेशन एंड अवेयरनेस। इसके जितने भी क्वेश्चन एनसीसी एग्जाम में आ सकते हैं उन सभी क्वेश्चंस को मैंने इस पीडीएफ में लिया है और सारे ही क्वेश्चन यहाँ पे प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चन है। तो पूरा वीडियो आप देखें और एक एक क्वेश्चन को प्रॉपरली नोट या ध्यान से सुनते रहें। तो व्हाट इज़ द रोल ऑफ एनसीसी कैडेट इन नेशन बिल्डिंग? ये हमेशा आता है, हर बार आता है इस टाइप के क्वेश्चन। तो यहाँ पे आप पॉइंट टू पॉइंट लिखेंगे। Maintaining national integration, poverty alleviation, road construction, higher education, discouraging corruption and evils to help the backward class people, human resource development. इसके अलावा सिंपल क्वेश्चन भी इस तरह कह सकते हैं कि राइट द नेम्स ऑफ 5 रिलीजन ऑफ इंडिया। तो हिंदू, मुस्लिम, सिख, क्रिश्चियन, बुद्धिस्ट, जैन, पारसी। इसके आगे देखें व्हाट आर द प्रॉब्लम्स एंड मेजर चैलेंजेस ऑफ नेशनल इंटीग्रेशन? कास्टिज्म, लिंग्विस्टिक बायोगुट्री, communalism, regionalism, social discrimination, economic inequality, gender discrimination. So true false करके भी प्रश्न आते हैं। The origin of river Godavari is in Maharashtra, correct. Raipur is the capital of Chhattisgarh, correct. Guru Nanak was the last guru of Sikh, wrong. Kolar gold is in Madhya Pradesh, wrong. This is in Karnataka. What is the popular bird? This is not a bird. This is Lake Island. The folk dance of Andhra Pradesh, Kuchipudi. The place of worship of Buddhist is Bihar. Dine Ilahi religion was founded by Akbar. The capital of Kerala is Thiruvananthapuram. Indian Constitution was adopted in 26 November 1949, 26 November 1949. What are the measures to achieve national unity? To achieve national unity, we have to education, economic development, cultural integration, national language, social integration, political integration, propagation of secularism. Now fill in the blanks type question is also there. National bird peacock, and here question is missing, so here the question is national animal tiger. National emblem Ashoka pillar. National language Hindi. National flag tricolor. ट्रू फॉल्स से भी क्वेश्चन आता है। ट्रू फॉल्स से अगर क्वेश्चन देखें तो इस तरह का आ सकते हैं नमामि गंगे इज सेलिंग इन द गंगा रिवर, रॉन्ग. द ऑरेंज कलर ऑफ द नेशनल फ्लैग सिग्निफाइज स्ट्रेंथ एंड करेज, करेक्ट. Khunjaro is located in the state of Karnataka. Incorrect. This is located in Madhya Pradesh. Mahabir Chakra is the best gallantry medal in India. Wrong. The biggest gallantry award is Parambir Chakra. Parambir Chakra is a part of Kargil. Correct. Who come in awareness of national integration? Write down problem. What's the problem come? So I discussed this question before also. Casteism, linguistic bigotry, communalism, regionalism, social inequality, economic inequality. Here this question I mentioned 2 times because this is one of the most important question which comes each and every year. Suggest measures to stop dowry system. To stop dowry system, we must educate your daughters, encourage them to take good career, teach them to be independent and responsible, treat them equally, discourage the givers and takers of dowry, strongly oppose dowry. To the giver and taker, the dowry from its ill effects inform. So basically convince and keep these points in your mind. What is the need of national unity in India? The need for national unity is due to these reasons. First, helps to maintain harmony, law and order, dignity and self-respect. Promotion of culture and religious development, contribution to the growth of the nation, to increase the welfare of the people. Now the question, what do you understand by national integration? Again, this is one of the most important. In fact, when I'll give an exam, this question are there. So keep this question in your mind properly and give your answer point to point. So mention here first point, India is a group of various religious, caste, sector and cultures. The number of language, customs, religious and caste in India, I will meet probably not in any country in the world. So again I repeat, in India, the number of language, custom, religions and castes in India I will meet probably not in any country in the world, like Hindu, Muslim, Sikh, Parsi, Jain, Buddhist live in our country. Despite so much diversity, our country is a nation. Yes, there is a power. The residents there here are inspired by the feeling of nationalism. Now the question is, दिस टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चन आर आल्सो सीन देयर कि इस तरह के भी प्रश्न आपको देखने को मिल सकते हैं कि कंट्री नॉर्थ ईस्ट वेस्ट साउथ के हिसाब से आपको रिवर वाइज वहाँ पे प्रॉपर सीक्वेंस में करना होगा. तो इन द नॉर्थ झेलम, चिनार, रावी, सतलज, बीज। ईस्ट महानदी गोदावरी, कृष्णा, कावेरी, पनेर। वेस्ट नर्मदा, ताप्ती, साबरमती एंड लूनी। साउथ भूसी, कृष्णा, सिप्रा एंड ताप्ती। इन द मिडिल यमुना, घाघरा, गंगटक, गोमती एंड गंगा। So this is all about this session. I hope you are prepared well and best of luck you all guys. Jai Hind. See you in the next video. Namaskar. Jai Hind. Bye bye.